Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a basic Tezhip composition. For this, the materials that we're going to need is a tracing paper, a mechanical pencil, a basic compass and a scale. We'll begin by folding the tracing paper in half so that we can get the center of the paper. Using the central line, draw a semicircle. The size of the semicircle can be anything basis the size of the composition that you want. Connect the ends of the semicircle to form a droplet motif. This motif is going to act as the main frame for our composition. Now within this frame, place some spiral motifs to act as stems, and you can also add curved lines to make branches. For a tutorial on how to make these spiral stems, you can refer to my shorts feed. Once the base guidelines are ready, flip the tracing paper to start drawing your final composition. Start by retracing the main frame because this is a final piece of the composition, and then we'll start drawing the motifs on the guidelines. Add flowers, buds and leaves to these base grid lines. Please ensure that you're always following the direction of the spirals and the branches. For a tutorial on how to draw these individual motifs, you can refer to my shorts feed where I've posted multiple tutorials for the same. Once done, flip the tracing paper again and erase all of the base guidelines that you had initially drawn. You can use the same fundamentals to draw compositions of any shape and size. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.